Hello everyone, myself Deepak Shah and I am again here with my third video on the topic Matrix chapter 3 class 12th. But before watching this video, please watch my previous two videos which are required for this topic, because after watching that two videos you can easily understand the concept of matrices, basics of matrices. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic we start with transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Any matrix A equals to Aij of order m into n can be written as transpose if we interchange rows of a matrix into columns. Okay, let's see one example. If A is any matrix of order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 rows, 2 3 1 first row and 1 2 3 second column is a matrix A of order 2 by 3. If we write its transpose, then transpose is denoted by A dash or AT. So A transpose, it means we interchange row into column. So first row into first column. So 2 3 1 is the first column and 1 2 3 is the second column. So this is called transpose of a matrix A. Matrix A we written as 2 into 3, 2 rows and 3 columns, and if we interchange that matrix we get 3 into 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is the transpose of a matrix. Now some properties of a transpose of matrix. Some properties of transpose of a matrix. There are 4 main properties of a transpose of a matrix. First is A transpose of transpose is equals to A matrix. Then second is Ka transpose equals to Ka transpose. Here K is scalar quantity. Okay. Then third property is A plus B. A and B are two matrices. Then A plus B transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. And the fourth property is A B transpose equals to B transpose A transpose. For these two properties we need two matrix, but for this first and second we need only one matrix. So these are the 4 properties of a transpose of a matrix. We used these properties earlier in the questions. Now the next topic is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. First is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Any square matrix A can be expressed as a symmetric matrix if A transpose means transpose of that matrix is equals to A. This is the property of symmetric matrix. Similarly, skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Any square matrix. Here also square matrix. A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equals to minus A. Okay, so these are the two definitions of symmetric and skew symmetric. One property of skew symmetric matrix means important point of skew symmetric matrix, that in skew symmetric matrix the elements of diagonals are always 0. Elements of a diagonal are always 0 in this skew symmetric matrix. Some examples of symmetric matrix A, we take example as 1, 2, 2, 4. If we transpose this matrix, again we get 1, 2, 2, 4. No change in this A and A dash. Similarly, example of skew symmetric matrix, for this we take 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. So, A transpose equals to 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. If we take minus common, then we get 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. It means A dash is equals to minus A. This is called skew symmetric matrix. So, symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now, the next topic is theorem 2 of NCERT book. Theorem 2 is important because some questions related to that theorem. Theorem 2 is theorem 2, any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, it means if A is any matrix, then first we find transpose of A, that is A dash, then sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. It means 1 by 2 A plus A dash. A plus A dash means sum, and 1 by 2 A minus A dash is the difference. If we sum symmetric, this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. Symmetric plus skew symmetric, we get again A, this matrix. So this is called theorem 2. Some questions are related to this theorem, so it is important. Now we quickly move towards the exercise 3.3. Question number 1. NCERT exercise 3.3. Question number 1. A is any matrix 5, 1 by 2 and minus 1. So we have to find transpose, A transpose. Transpose means interchange of row into column. So there are 3 rows, we change into 3 columns. So 5, 1 by 2 and minus 1. This is the transpose of matrix. So question number 1 is over. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A dash is given. A dash means A transpose is given as 3, 4, minus 1 and 2 and 0, 1, and B is given as 1, minus 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2, 3. So we have to verify that A minus B dash equals to A dash minus B dash. We have to find this A minus B dash equals to A dash minus B dash. So first we find A, because for LHS we need A. So by this A dash we find A. Row change into column is called transpose. So here transpose is given, so we find A matrix as 3 minus 1 0 and 4 2 1. This is called A matrix. Now we find LHS. A minus B. A is 3 minus 1 0, 4 2 and 1, and minus B. B is minus 1 2 1, 1 2 3. So 3 minus minus plus 1 means 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 2 0 and 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is A minus B. Now transpose of A minus B. A minus B transpose. So row change into column. So 4 minus 3 minus 1 and 3 0 minus 2. This is LHS. Now we find RHS. For RHS first we find A dash. A dash is given, only we have to find B dash. RHS. B dash is minus 1 2 1 and 1 2 3. Then A dash minus B dash. A dash is 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1 minus B dash minus 1 1 2 2 and 1 3. So if we minus this 3 minus minus plus 1, so 4 minus 1 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2 minus 2 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 3 minus 2. So LHS equals to RHS. 4 3 minus 3 0 minus 1 minus 2, 4 3 minus 3 0 and minus 1 minus 2. So LHS equals to RHS. Question number 3. Similarly, question number 4th and 5th are also same. We now solve question number 6th. Question number 6 is of trigonometry. Question number 6. A is given as cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Then verify A dash A equals to I. A dash means A transpose. A is given and we have to find A dash A equals to I. I is called identity matrix. So first we find A dash transpose of A. Row change into column. So cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. This is A dash. Now taking LHS. A dash A. A dash A means A dash into A. Cos alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Multiply with A. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So multiplication of two matrix. First row, first column, first element. First row, second column, second element. Second row, first column, first element, and second row, second column, second element. So first row, first column, first element, cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. Second element into second, so minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, that is plus sin square alpha. So this is first element, first row, first column, first element. Then first row, second column, second element, cos alpha into sin alpha, minus plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Now second row, first column, first element, sin alpha, cos alpha, sin alpha cos alpha plus minus minus sin alpha cos alpha, and then second row, second column, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha cancel. Here also sin alpha cos alpha and sin alpha cos alpha cancel. We know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equals to 1. So 1, 0, 0 and 1. And 1, 0, 0, 1 is identity matrix of order 2. So we write it as I. LHS equals to RHS. Question number 6 complete. Now next question. Question number 10th. First, A is given as 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. And the question is, express the following matrices as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we have A, then we find first A dash, row change into column 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. Now first A plus A dash, A plus A dash, A is 3, 5, 1 minus 1 plus A dash 3, 1, 5 minus 1. 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 5, 6 minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 2. So 3 plus 3, 5, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 5, 6 and minus 1, minus 2. Now 1 by 2 A plus A dash. It means 1 by 2, 6, 6, 6 and minus 2. So 1 by 2 A plus A dash is 3, 3, 3 minus 1. Now we find A minus A dash. 3, 5, 1 and minus 1 minus 3, 1, 5 and minus 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 5 is minus 4 and minus 1 minus minus plus 1 is 0. Okay. Now 1 by 2 of A minus A dash. It means 1 by 2, 0, 4, minus 4 and 0. So if we divide by this 2, we get 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. So what we see here, this is symmetric matrix. Because we change row into column, then no change occurs. And similarly here, skew symmetric matrix. Then if we solve this A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash, then what we get? We write this here 3, 3, 3 and minus 1 plus 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus minus 2 is 1, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. This matrix is A matrix. Question 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. So 1 by 2 A plus A dash means symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. 1 by 2 A minus A dash is always equals to 1. Theorem 2. Theorem 2. Okay. Now next and last question of this exercise, 3 by 3 matrix. A is 3 by 3 matrix. Question number 2. A equals to 6, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1 and 2 minus 1, 3 is A. Then first we find A dash. A dash is 6, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1 and 2 minus 1, 3. Now 1 by 2 A plus A dash. So 1 by 2 A is 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 3 plus A dash is also 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 3. 1 by 2, 6 plus 6 12, minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4, 2 plus 2 4, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 3 plus 3 6, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 plus 2 4, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 and 3 plus 3 6. So if we divide by 2, then we get 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3, minus 1 and 2, minus 1 and 3. This is A plus A. Similarly, we find A minus A dash. So 1 by 2 A plus A dash. Then now we find A minus A dash. Here we write this A minus A dash. A minus A dash. So 1 by 2, 6 minus 6 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, minus 2 minus plus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, minus 1 plus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, minus 1 plus 1 0 and 3 minus 3 0. So 1 by 2 A minus A dash is equals to 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. Now by theorem 2, any square matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we add these two, so we get, if we add these two, then we get 6 minus 2 2, minus 2 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 3. This is our matrix A question. Okay, so this is called sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.